Alright, so today I have an unboxing video of the Tiger Concept, which just came in the mail after about 2 weeks. So I think the shipping here is pretty quick, especially during the holidays coming up. So let's go get right through it. Right. So there's just nothing special here, just a regular box. But very easy to cut. So let's get through this here. Alright. I hope this is the right way to open it. Okay, so a little bow wrap in here for you. And this is just a watch head, so there's no strap or anything on this. I did order a strap that's coming in, but I have not received it, so I'm just going to be able to watch for today. So here it is, after the bubble wrap and the cardboard and everything, we have the watch itself. So this is the head only. Alright, so here it is. This is the 5508 by Tiger Concept, which is the homage to the Big Crown. So you know it's very glossy here, so you can't really get a good picture of it. But let me see if I can move the light over to this side here. There you go. I think that's a little bit better lighting. So it's super glossy with the glossy finish. You have an option of doing a matte finish as well, but you can tell here that it is a very beautiful watch. A very beautiful homage to the Big Crown Rolexes. And there you go. I'm pretty sure I can get this blue stuff off as well. So this is the back plate. It's very plain, so it's nothing special about it. It is a bit raised. And the dome, you can tell with a dome is also, the glass is also domed for a little bit there. Not too high. And this is on the DG movement, so this is the cheapest option they have for about $154. And he has shipping to the US is only took about 2 weeks from Hong Kong, so it's not too bad. I'll go ahead and try to move the bezel here. Wow, so it's pretty solid. It's not loose at all. All right. So nothing too special about it. It just has a flat dial, so nothing raised in it. The hands, it's pretty smooth here with the second hand moving. I believe it's gold finish here. So I asked for, these usually come with a white big ball second hand, but I asked for a gold one. So William put that together for me. So if you guys wanted to customize your 5508 or any other watches, I'm pretty sure William would be happy to do that, and he can just make it perfect for you before he ships it. So this is kind of like the gilt finish here. Alright, let's try to unscrew this. Alright, there it is. And set time. It's about 9 o'clock right now. Let's just move that. Alright, there you go. So this is hackable. If you guys are into stopping the seconds hand and making it super accurate. And then you just go back in. There it is. I don't have any 20mm straps on me right now, but I'm probably going to put in an 18mm and see what it looks like here. Alright, so I have a gray and black needle here, an 18mm, so I'm pretty sure it won't fit perfectly, but it'll be a bit loose, and I'll still do it. So see, when I'm putting this in, it's a bit snug. So these pins are a bit closer to the bezel or the face of the watch. So it's a bit tight. All right, well there it is. You can see it's a little loose here. So that'll do for now. There it is. So again, it's very glossy here, so it's pretty hard to get a good shot of the watch. Alright, and there it is. That's the 5508 from Tire Concepts, and this is the Style J.